biggest transformations of 2023, insurance claim edition. Again, not a fun situation to be in, but something that we see a lot and something that we can definitely help you through. These customers right here in Willow Grove had a plumbing issue that really wrecked a lot of their kitchen cabinets, and were able to go through insurance and get a little help with making their transformation. But while they're in this position, why not take the opportunity to get exactly what you want? Here we took kind of an old dark situation that they had going on here and really livened it up here with some brand new bright white quartz countertops. These are North Point cabinets here. Espresso is what I believe they are called, but just night and day compared to what they had going on here. We knocked the soffits out, went right up to the ceiling, got them some extra storage space with the pantries and everything that you got going on here. Just really, really nice upgrade. And if you're in a position where you are trying to work with your insurance with it, we'll help you through that. This is pretty much a pull and replace. We didn't change the floor plan, didn't deviate from the setup that they had going on here. But again, just really, really nice work here with the tiling, the countertop, the cabinets, everything works super well. Got this customer exactly what they were wanting in a bad situation.